Okay, 3 minutes. Then starts to count now. Ayan, malakas. Tanggal talaga yung ali-ali kabog. Putik-putik. Iyon mga tol. So this is your tol Mekwaya Lishanda for another unboxing video. This is a TwoUp TuneUp bike stand. So please stay tuned and let's get it on mga tol. So, moving on. So, this is the materials we found inside the box. So, just stay tuned and we will try to assemble it. So, again, this is a bike stand from Topeak TwoUp TuneUp. Let's go!
Number 1, nagre-ride kayo, gumamit kayo ng full gloves. Okay, gumamit ng putol na gloves. Kasi for safety purposes, pag full gloves, sumemplang lang kayo, tumama dito, tumama dito yung kamay nyo, kahit saan man dyan sa hindi yan mapuputol. Bubutasin nyo muna yung gloves nyo bago nyo masugatan yung kamay nyo. Masakit yun, pero hindi ka pa din talaga masusugatan. Ayun. Kaya pag gumamit kayo ng putol na gloves nyo dito, pag tinamaan yan directly, butas yan. Yeah. Kamay nyo, putol.
Ayun, nagsuot na ako ng double glove.
Yeah.
Wala kasi akong gloves kanina.
Ano yan?
This is the Topeak TwoUp TuneUp bike. Already managed to finish the assembly. I just used the user manual and the 5mm hex key or 5mm Allen key. Yeah. This is a freestanding multi-bike storage bike stand. So it can caters 4 bikes. So each hook can accommodate 1 bike up to 18 kilograms. So all in all, this bike stand can withstand the maximum capacity of 72 kgs. So this center pole also can extend up to 7 feet. So I'll just show to you that I'm not able to full utilize. You cannot see the top. So I just put this height, okay, as well as each and every hook depends on the size of your bike. So it can accommodate small or big bike. This hook mount also can adjust depends on the angle of your frame. If it is standard or it's angle 1, this one the maximum I think about 30 degrees angle. So yes, top and bottom you can adjust. Okay. So you just need to use 5mm hex key. So yeah, like so. Okay,
Tapos,
Makinig.
pag uwi kayo, pag mag-ride kayo, yung water bottle nyo, ilagay nyo sa rep, sa freezer. Para pag nag-ride kayo, malamig ang tubig.
Ayos.
May yelo pa. Ayun o. Ha? Yun, sige.
Ayos. This hook can support your handlebar so it prevents from moving. So you can do the light duty maintenance, change your tires, apply some lubes on your chain as well. So yeah, basically that's it. Covers everything that I want to share. So Topeak, prepare to ride. Yeah, so that's it guys. This is basically the whole video I want to share. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and God bless to all. Stay safe everyone. Rock and roll.